empowering the world through innovative and accessible education.
Welcome to Module 4, Enhancing Productivity with ChatGPT. Today we're diving into how ChatGPT can be a game changer for your productivity. Let's get started. In this lesson, we'll cover three main areas: generating written content, automation and task management, and data analysis and research. Problem-solving techniques are a great place to start. You can ask ChatGPT to apply frameworks like SCAMPER or the 5 Whys. For example, you might say, use the SCAMPER method to generate product feature ideas for a fitness app. ChatGPT will walk you through substitute, combine, adapt, and more, giving you a structured set of ideas. When it comes to generating creative ideas, use prompts that explicitly request variety. For instance, give me 10 creative marketing campaign ideas for a vegan skincare brand, each in one sentence. This will yield a rapid list you can refine. Here's an advanced tip: chain your prompts. After getting your list, ask ChatGPT to expand idea number 3 into a 100-word concept. Now let's automate routine tasks. For writing code snippets, you can prompt ChatGPT as your coding assistant. For example, write a Python snippet that reads a CSV of sales data and calculates monthly revenue totals. ChatGPT will return a complete script. Just copy, paste, and test. For advanced users, you can include library versions by saying, use Pandas version 2.0+. When drafting schedules and plans, use ChatGPT to create structured calendars or project plans. For instance, you might say, draft a 4-week social media content calendar for a tech startup, including themes, post types, and publish dates. It will output a table you can import into Trello or Google Sheets. Here's a pro tip: ask for multiple formats. You could say, also provide this as a markdown table. Welcome to Data Analysis and Research, Summarizing Reports. Paste a long reporter article and prompt. Summarize the key findings of this 1,500-word market research report in 5 bullet points. ChatGPT delivers a concise executive summary you can share with stakeholders. Extracting key insights. For deeper insights, use targeted prompts. From this quarterly financial report, list 3 major risks and 3 growth opportunities. You get a clear list of strategic takeaways ready for your next meeting. Chain analysis. After summary, ask, generate 3 questions to investigate further based on these insights. Let's do a quick recap and go over some best practices. 4.1. Use structured methods like SCAMPER and the 5 Whys, and chain prompts to expand ideas. 4.2. Delegate code generation and planning. Leverage formatting options for easy import. 4.3. Turn long text into bullet summaries and extract strategic insights. That's Module 4. You now have practical approaches to brainstorm, automate, and analyze with ChatGPT. In the next module, we'll integrate these techniques into end-to-end workflows. Thanks for watching. See you soon.